So today we're going to do the examination practice for Chapter 9. Let's start. Exam style questions. Question 1. The first 3 patterns in the sequence are shown above. Copy and complete the table. So, we need to find these 3 numbers. And as you can see, by counting them, we can see there are 8, 11, and 14. They are the 3 missing numbers. Find the formula for the number of dots, D, in the nth pattern. So from 5 to 8, you need to add 3. From 8 to 11, you also need to add 3, and so on for 11 and 14. And as you can see here, you add 3 dots each time. So it is D is 3n. But at the start there are 5 dots, and you need to add 2 to 3 to make 5. So D equals 3n plus 2. Find the number of dots in the 16th pattern. Well, it's simple. D equals 3 times 60 plus 2, or D equals 3 times 180 plus 2, or D equals 182. So there are 182 dots in the 60th pattern. Find the number of the pattern that has 89 dots. So you just need to subtract 2 from both sides, and then you divide by 3 to get the answer 29. Question 2. The diagram below shows a sequence of patterns made from dots and lines. Draw the next pattern in the sequence. So the next pattern in the sequence is just this, but with 4 dots. Copy and complete the table for a number of dots and lines. So the 3 missing numbers are 13, 16, and 19. So how many lines are in the pattern with 99 dots? How many lines are in the pattern with n dots? So let's do D first, because then it will be easier to do C later. So how many lines are in the pattern with n dots? So you can see here the number of lines at 3 each time, and the number of dots increased by 1. So the number of lines equals the 3 times the number of dots plus 1, because 3 times 1 plus 1 is 4. 3 times 2 plus 1 is 7. 3 times 3 plus 1 is 10, and so on. So you just need 3 times 99 plus 1, or 297 plus 1, or 298. E. Complete the following statement. There are 85 lines in the pattern with dots. So, subtract 1 from both sides to get 84, and divide by 3 to get the final answer, 28. Past paper questions. Here are the first 4 terms of the sequence: 27, 23, 19, and 15. Write down the next term in the sequence. Explain how you worked out your answer to part A in this part. So, as you can see here, the next term is 11. And you can see here the term rule is -4 each time. The end term of a different sequence is 4n minus 2. Write down the first 3 terms of the sequence. So, the first 3 terms of the sequence 4n minus 2. 2 is 2, 6, and 10. Here are the first 4 terms of another sequence. Write down the nth term of this sequence. So here, the nth term of the sequence is 3n minus 4. Question 2. State the required region on each Venn diagram. So, in the first Venn diagram, as you can see here, you just need to shade every single region except for this one. And for the second Venn diagram, you just need to shade the outer region. Question 3. The first 5 terms of a sequence are shown below. Find the nth term of this sequence. So, by calculating, the nth term is negative 4n plus 17. Question 4. State the required region of each of the following Venn diagrams. So, not A, just shade everything that is not A. So shade everything that is not in this circle. And this is P and R are Q. So P and R is this region right here. These two regions combined. And if you combine that with Q, you get the whole entire region of Q plus this one little region right here. One little bit right here. Question 5. State the region required in each of the Venn diagrams. So, as you can see here, this is just everything that's not A or B. And here it's not A and B. Not A is everything that's outside of this circle right here. But B is everything that's inside this circle right here. So if you combine this, then it's everything inside this region. Question 6. The Venn diagram shows the number of students who study French, Spanish, and Arabic. Find the number of students who study Arabic. Find the number of students who study Arabic, and Arabic are open bracket, French, and Spanish close bracket. So because these are in the brackets first, you need this first, an S, which is here, and then you combine that with everything in the circle of A. So you add it together. 4, 1, 3, 2, and 8, which make 18. On the Venn diagram, state the region not F and S. So everything that's not F but is S is basically these two regions right here, because the other two regions of S is also contained within F. Question 7. The diagram shows layers of white and gray cubes. Kataga places these layers on top of each other to make a tower. Complete the table for towers 5 with 5 and 6 layers. So the missing numbers are 28, 45, 17, 21, 45 again, and then 66. Find, in terms of n, the total number of gray cubes in the tower of n layers. Well, it is 4n minus 3. Find the total number of gray cubes in the tower with 60 layers. Use the nth term, 4n minus 3, to 60, when n equals 60, and you'll get the answer 237. Kataga has plenty of white cubes, but only 200 gray cubes. How many layers are there in the highest tower that she can build? So the number of layers in the highest tower that she can build is 50. Question 8. Write the recurring decimal 0.36 as a fraction. Give your answer in its simplest form. and 0.36 with a dot over it means 0.36 infinite sixes over this way. So this in a fraction is 11/30, as we have learned. So that's the end of this video. Thank you and goodbye.